Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sous Vide. This incredible method involves cooking food in a precisely temperature-controlled water bath, ensuring consistent results. It's a fantastic way to achieve perfectly cooked meals, from tender steaks to juicy chicken, without the worry of overcooking. You'll discover how this technique locks in moisture and flavor, elevating your home cooking to a professional level with minimal effort. To begin your Sous Vide journey, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. First, an immersion circulator, which precisely heats and circulates the water. Next, a large pot or a dedicated food-grade container for your water bath. Finally, you'll need vacuum-sealable bags or high-quality zip-top bags to hold your food. While a vacuum sealer is ideal for removing all air, the water displacement method with zip-top bags works wonderfully too. Once your equipment is ready, season your food generously and place it into a vacuum-sealable bag. Ensure all air is removed. This is crucial for efficient heat transfer. Submerge the sealed bag completely into your preheated water bath. Cooking times vary based on the food and its thickness. For instance, a 1-inch thick steak might cook for 1 to 2 hours at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, while chicken breasts could take up to 2 hours at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. After its precise water bath, your food is perfectly cooked internally. For that irresistible golden brown crust, remove it from the bag and pat it thoroughly dry. Then, sear it quickly in a very hot pan with a little oil, or on a grill, for just about 60 seconds per side. This rapid searing adds texture without overcooking the interior. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice and serve your incredibly tender and flavorful meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.